Let's talk about color. White, flavonoid. Black, anthocyanin. Green, chlorophyll. Red, lycopene. Yellow, carotenoid. Color story from California, USA in 1988. 5-a-day campaign aims to increase fruit and vegetable consumption by eating 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. This campaign was spread all over the United States with support from the National Cancer Institute. Looks good, tastes good, colorful food. 7 colorful ingredients with 500 milligrams of vitamin C. Atomy Color Food Vitamin C is for your healthier life. Vitamin C for your energy. Take purely white vitamin C with 7 other yellow and red plant nutrients. Sweet and sour taste of mango, from kids to adults. Simple intake of vitamin C, Atomy Color Food Vitamin C. Recommended essential nutrient, vitamin C. Atomy Color Food Vitamin C. A daily necessity that supports good health and growth. Once a day, essential for your health. Atomy Color Food Vitamin C. Atomy is always with you.